Hey guys, happy belated Holi. Well, please excuse my hair. We were traveling for a really long time. So we decided to celebrate Holi in Lonavala this year. And yeah, we were going to Della Resorts. And this is us. We stopped midway to like have some snacks and stuff. And my dad and I, we went to Tim Hortons. So this was my first time there because I don't know, I've just never been there. My dad has been there though. And this was me trying my almond croissant, which was really good. It had the perfect amount of sweetness. And yeah, I'd recommend it to you if you go there. And this was also me trying my dad's cheese and mushroom sandwich, which was way better. And like you can tell by my face that I liked it more. And this was me again trying my vanilla frappuccino, which was quite good. A little too sweet, but it was good. And yeah, we switched our orders because his food was better and he's my dad, so he just had to give it to me anyway. And we were back to road. So only half an hour was left, so we were quite excited. And आप लोग views देखो guys. So मैं काफ़ी दिनों बाद लोनावला गई थी तो मैं भी like I had forgotten how beautiful it actually is. Like just look at the mountains and the greenery. Actually, there's not much greenery, but look at the views, guys. It was still very pretty. And yeah, we had finally reached. Well, this is my mom and Coco wanted to say hi to you guys. So yeah, don't forget to say hi to him back in the comments. And then we went directly to the washroom. Now I will tell you a funny story because my mom literally screamed when she entered the washroom. So I don't know what is the point of putting male mannequins in a female washroom because like we even asked a worker who was working there कि मतलब इसका क्या मतलब है, so they were like बस ऐसे ही हंसने के लिए, which is kind of weird, but yeah, it was there. And we also spotted another dog, so very cute. And then we went straight to the pani puri section or golgappe section or whatever you call it. So yeah, and yeah, it was very good. And फिर हम वापस अंदर गए and we tried momos and sushi. And I know it feels like a crime to have sushi with fork, but like कुछ कर नहीं सकते और कोई option नहीं था वहाँ पे. And yeah, I know it just feels like a food vlog at this point, but I swear there's more to it. And yeah, there was Coco or the other dog. So and then we went outside and clicked pictures. So, guys, the location was very beautiful, very pretty. So that is why, like, we clicked so many pictures at so many different locations. And Coco ne bhi kafi enjoy kara, as you can see. He was running around and stuff. And yeah, I went to the washroom again and tied my hair because my parents allowed me for a bungee jump. And guess what? वहाँ पे buy one get one वाला offer चल रहा था. So like we had two chances. And guess what? मैंने दोनों chances use करी हैं. So I jumped twice back to back. Like they did offer me कि you can take a break for 15 minutes. But then I was like थोड़ा adventurous mood था तो मैंने दोनों back to back करे. And yeah, they were putting me in a harness, and the lady, the jump master, she was asking me like if I've ever done this before. But I actually have done a bungee jump before in Rishikesh, so like I had an idea. So yeah, this was us talking, and even she was like, are you sure you want to do it twice? But then I was like, yeah. The difference between Rishikesh wala bungee and ye wala was that it was on a platform and this was just like, I don't know, a crane that took you up. I don't know what it's called exactly. But हाँ इतना ही difference था वरना same ही था. And even the height difference was pretty much same. उधर 180 था and उधर 150 feet था. And even though I look pretty chill, मेरे को थोड़ा सा nervousness था, but yeah, I was more excited, so. And either they tied harness to my calves because yeah, more support. And it was actually very tight. I think पूरे जंप में मुझे बस एक चीज़ uncomfortable लगी थी, and that was the tightness of the calves वाला harness because actually मेरे को height से तो डर नहीं लगता, but ये जो दर्द हुआ था ना, it was very bad. And even like after it was done मेरे ankles तक दर्द रहा था because मेरा blood flow रुक गया था. I don't know what exactly happened, but yeah. But yeah, so you can see how tight they're actually tying it, like. And uske baad he was like, if it's tight enough, and I was like, yeah, please. So yeah, they did that, and then we went up. And आप मेरी शक्ल देखो guys, I look like I do this every day and I'm bored of it, but that was not the case. I was just really nervous and I was mentally preparing myself for it. But yeah. And then yeah, by the way, did you guys know that they actually filmed this? Like they make an intro shot and then put a outro shot with the certificate and stuff. Well, I did not know that. It was kind of surprising because जब मैंने पहले किया था, they did not do all of that. But यहाँ पे there was like a proper photographer and he was recording everything. And then even like when I was doing the jump, there was a 360 camera that was recording that. So they properly edited and एक दिन बाद they send it because like I don't know, it takes a day for them to edit it. And then yeah, whenever it comes, I will upload that as well for you guys to see because it's very exciting, genuinely very exciting. And yeah, I have no idea why I have made that face because like I just did not know what to do. Okay, they made me sit and I was like, when does this start? And यहाँ पे they started filming it. So my drum master, she started asking me a few questions like, you know, if I've done this before or if I'm nervous or not. And yeah, she shook my hand and that kind of stuff. So that's the intro. And yeah, it was overall a very fun experience. So if you ever go to Lonavala or Dela Adventure Sports, you should definitely try it because they made sure it was safe and I was comfortable and all of that stuff. So yeah, I recommend it. And I actually recorded this intro twice because मैंने 2 बार jump किया था इसलिए उन्होंने भी मतलब 2 बार record किया. So that was pretty cool because I had options. Because जब वो last में edit करके देते हैं तो like they have a proper format, intro, outro and that stuff. So I had 2 options to choose from. And yeah, it was finally time to go up. And I did not know why the staff was more excited than me. But yeah, that's cool. So. We were finally Uber and so these guys they properly instruct you and demonstrate you कि मतलब आपको कैसे करना है क्या करना है. So पहले my drum master she showed me how my position should be, like what my hands position should be, and मतलब she will give me a count and उसी count पे I have to jump. So yeah, she gave me like proper instructions about all of that and I was pretty excited actually. मेरे को इतना nervousness नहीं हुआ. But yeah, the views were very good. Like जो वहाँ पे views आपको दिख रहे थे ऊपर से, they were very pretty. And 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh, jumped. Oh wow. Okay, I promise guys, it's not as scary as it looks. Because जब मैं खुद देख रही हूँ तो मुझे लग रहा है कि oh, it was this much. But when I was up there, इतना कुछ पता नहीं चला. And yeah, that was the end of it. So they make sure you land safely on a chair, like they make you lie down and stuff, and then they hand you a certificate for it. And on our way out, we saw this very beautiful stable with like super amazing horses and even ponies. I don't know how many of you all have seen ponies, but if you have, do let me know in the comments because जो मैंने देखा, it was so cute. It was a white small pony. And that was it. I changed into some comfortable clothes because हमें काफ़ी लंबा travel करना था. And yeah, thanks for watching.